What up, it's Rusty here, and today just wanted to bring you guys a special video called Ethontics Rages, and I think it's pretty funny. Go check out his channel, Ethontics Cheeseman. He will be in the description, and yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful and rest of your day, and have a good laugh and enjoy the video. And yeah, peace.
Why does everyone have... What the heck happened? Why does everything have to go wrong whenever I show you guys? See, it repairs itself. My mind got running so laggy. Why is this happening? What the heck?
I think the piston's messed up. Oh.
That's lag. Why is this gone? What the heck? Oh my god! Why is this happening?
So Ethan.
Doesn't work. What the heck? The creeper! Isaac! Did you do this?
No, I didn't.
What? How did it happen?
I never did anything.
The heck? What the heck? What is this?
Oh my god.
Okay, let's go now.